this is at least a different color that we are seeing on that red. And it is reminiscent of like how in the past they've also had the white in the red. Like they did not always have the red car which every Ferrari fan now wants. They had white in their car before. They had blocks of white. Like the entire back of Ferrari used to be white at one point of time.
Yeah,
Why
yeah,
is
yeah,
everyone so
yeah.
stuck up with just give us a red car, give us a red car? Bring colors. Why are you going with Red
No,
Bull or
don't
Aston
say
Martin
that.
when they will just get one
Arsenal
color
fans
every
get
time?
will get triggered. They will hear you said red card.
And red and white.
Football
And red
reference.
and white, yeah.
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Kicks and Curve podcast, a podcast that unites checkered flags and offside flags. Today we are back with our checkered flags because we are graced with the presence of our one and only Honey Badger and Shaguni Neil as always with
Yeah.
me. And I though I'm here only listeners. If you're tired of just watching me in all of our episodes, please leave a comment and ask these people to make more appearances.
I'm still pissed off of the fact that Kramer hasn't come on the
We
podcast
all
yet.
are.
We all are.
I mean, listeners, let us know in the comments after how long should we cancel Kramer's position from the podcast. Because we wanted to do it
I think
yesterday.
last month. I think
We
last
wanted
month.
to do it since he joined us. So you let us know.
I think last month was the perfect time. Like February was the perfect time. It's like, but yeah.
I mean, I think any time
Bye.
is perfect time to sack Kramer. But yeah.
Yeah,
So,
Kramer.
but we
Kramer is
are,
I
basically
mean,
a
yeah.
Manchester United manager.
But basically, finally, we are starting with the Formula One season, and the first race is perfectly timed at the international break. It's going to be Carabao Cup final, and then no football, and then we just get to watch Formula One, and then football will be back.
Yeah.
And I don't know, they might be traveling to Bahrain or something, so there will be a break or whatever. But F1 is back.
yeah.
F1 is
I
back.
hate
So
breaks.
I have to ask you guys, did any of you watch the F175? He did not.
Yeah.
You did?
No, I didn't watch the ceremony, but I watched most of the reels,
I watched the entire
the
thing.
Jack Whitehall reels,
I watched the entire thing.
and
Yeah.
I didn't watch. I didn't
Yeah.
watch.
So I also
And
watched the entire thing.
it
And
was
if you want to hear my thoughts, please check out the episode in our feed. I will link it somewhere. Shaguni, what did you think of it?
Jake Whitehall was amazing.
Ah,
Jack Whitehall, sorry.
yeah,
He
yeah,
was
yeah.
amazing. The Ferrari booing was
The
mashallah.
best.
The Max and Red Bull booing, I was not a fan, but I mean it's sports, so we all get it. Uh, I think the best presentation was from Aston Martin. They were like that entire how they brought the car out and everything was really good. Uh, I don't know why Red Bull came with an Indian Bharat, but they
Yeah,
came with a
it was
Bharat.
literally a Bharat. And I was like,
They
yeah,
literally came with a
Oh
Bharat
God.
where like Max, Liam Lawson, and Horner are the dulas, and everyone is dancing behind them.
yeah,
It
yeah,
it
yeah.
was literally a Bharat.
The
So
only
I don't
thing
know why they
missing was
did
a
that,
dhol
but
and a ghodi. That's all. That's he
oh
needed a horse and
Yeah.
no, they
a
had horsepower. They had horsepower. Come on.
horsepower, but not an actual horse.
Yeah, but I mean, it only one person can ride it, just like a horse. So,
Technically the
but
same thing.
yeah, it was Gordon Ramsay abusing when asked about not to abuse. That was epic Gordon Ramsay, where he abuses when he is asked about how do you feel about no abuse in F1. He is like, it is shit.
Yeah.
It is shit. I agree. That was peak Gordon Ramsay. I think I did not expect anything. I was waiting for him to say something, say a slur or at least a fuck, but that was just brilliant. I did not anticipate it at that time. I was thinking that it will entirely be an abusive line, but that was amazing. And how everything happened, it was good. I won't say great, but yeah, I mean, as it was said in the first sentence, that when your sport has this much money that they can rent out the O2 just to bring out cars of
Cars that are
next
essentially
season
the
with new
same.
clothes, last season cars with new clothes, then yeah, you can do that if your sport is that rich
Yeah.
and F1 is that rich. So yeah, it
Yeah.
was that. But I really like the Aston Martin, like how they brought the car and everything out. That entire James Bond theme and the guys coming out in blazers and all. It was done really good. I think the team should try something next time, something like that. It would be
I
even more
think
fun
for
because
trying something new, I think they should try firing Lance Stroll.
That is okay.
No, that's not gonna happen anyway.
that is a debate
Nothing
we've been
takes
having since
007
many
to
seasons.
000 faster than Lance Stroll being like James Bond in a
Yeah.
James Bond themed movie. So, but Honey Baja, what did you
But yeah,
feel from all the
hope to see.
reels?
And I really have no idea what that Alpine DJ was doing. I seriously have no clue. Until now, I have seen that three times. What he was trying to play, what he was trying to create.
Yeah,
It
nobody's given
was
this much attention to
just.
Alpine. Alpine does not give this much attention to Alpine. Why are you giving so much attention to
But
Alpine?
that guy was trying so hard on that
Yeah, but
set,
like,
the DJ set, but it
nobody
was just.
cares. Alpine does not care. Why do you care?
I was watching it. I wanted it to make sense, or
So
at least
did
they could have just
I. I was
walked out
like,
with
can
the
you
car.
just
It would have made more
just
sense.
fast forward it so that we can get to Ferrari? I was just like,
Oh, and the
Okay.
chaos that erupted
So
from the stands when the guys came out, Lewis and Charles. Oh my God, people went batshit crazy the moment these two came out with the car. The entire O2 erupted like anything. It was
bro, it
great.
was such
That
a
was
big
great.
news that last year Fabrizio Romano posted it. Like, add to it the fact
Yeah,
that the
I mean,
winter
true.
transfer was like boring AF last year, but like it was such a big news that Fabrizio Romano was also like, what the fuck just happened? So of course, but we've
Yeah.
heard enough. If you had so many thoughts, you could have recorded another episode discussing your thoughts. We would have done our homework and come. Honey Badger, we hear from you,
Yeah,
Shakuni.
it's
We haven't
okay,
heard from Honey Badger.
yeah.
Yes.
I have I have a question for you
Yeah.
guys.
Yes.
How does Lewis look in
Oh,
red?
So good.
Gorgeous.
so good.
Gorgeous.
Oh.
Mamma mia.
Isn't it looking illegal to have Lewis in red?
It should be. It should be.
Should be.
Yeah.
Ferrari has done illegal things before as well. They had Michael in the red. Now they have Lewis in the red.
Yeah.
Ferrari
Oh, do
has
you?
done illegal things before as well.
Somebody asked
I,
Charles how Lewis was getting along in Ferrari, and he said it's not the first time he's driven a Ferrari car.
Oh yeah, that is. I mean, not wrong. It is
How is
the
it not wrong?
correct
yeah.
statement. He has
So,
driven it.
so for newer fans of Formula One, there was this scandal called Spygate where
Ah,
McLaren had some Ferrari information that they were not supposed to have, or some shit like that. There was some Adan Pradan of information that happened, and Lewis was in McLaren,
but it
and
was not legal. Okay, so
yeah, of course.
To give Neil context, what happened was there was a guy who worked in Ferrari. He was a McLaren employee, but he worked in Ferrari as well. He was literally a spy there. He made some photocopies of the car design, aerodynamics, and everything to send it to McLaren. The place where he did the photocopying, the guy was a huge Ferrari fan. So the photocopier guy leaked this entire thing that there's a guy in Ferrari who sent all these things to the McLaren head office,
McLaren.
and that's how this entire scandal came up. Of course, I mean, I don't know if the
Corporate
drivers knew
espionage.
about it or not, but that's just
Corporate espionage.
Imagine one
Why not
photocopy
make
guy.
it a
Uncovered.
movie?
Imagine one
Yeah.
photocopy guy
yeah.
fucking up
This
all.
should be a movie.
This should be.
Imagine in entire like that guy's luck that he was ratted out by a photocopier.
Yeah. You should be careful with the Xerox guys.
There is. I don't think there's a
Ah.
position called photocopy. It's just an office boy, I guess. Chiling
No,
in
he just
reception.
No,
he
no.
went
Like the he
outside.
went to a
He went
Xerox shop.
to a Xerox shop.
He went to a Xerox shop.
Oh,
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
वो अपने इधर होता है ना वो
I thought
Xerox
office
Xerox
wala only.
वैसा.
Warning. Warning for everyone. Be careful with Xerox guys.
Yeah, they can leak your
Be
information.
careful. Don't just give your Aadhaar card like that.
Yeah.
Make sure you delete that soft copy.
Or if you're switching the job, don't print the resume near your office.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you can blink it only, these things.
Oh yeah, you can.
But you
But
can link it
I
at
mean,
your own
okay,
office, right?
okay. Let's stay on track. Let's stay on track. I know he's right, but let's stay on track. Would you rather, like not on such a grand scale, but would you rather watch 10 individual launches every year or have a similar event on a smaller scale? Of course, we don't need this Shosha because this was 75. This was special. But would you rather have a 1 hour event where everybody gets to show their car in like 5 minutes and then one comedian is doing jokes in between? Would you rather watch that or 10
I
different
would
launches where Red Bull.
I would prefer 10 different launches.
Why?
I
We have to listen to different Red Bull athletes for 40 minutes to see the same car. Why?
Something to look forward for
it
next
is
year.
Because it's an
literally the
event
same.
every day.
It is literally the fucking same car for Red Bull.
It's the
I
same
agree.
car. It
I
hasn't
mean,
changed
a
since
few,
2017.
so the thing is that a few teams don't even bother doing anything new or different. So I would go for one grand event where I can just see the liveries and they can release the car later on with the specs and everything.
It's called
That's
the
okay for
internet,
me.
Shakuni. You can literally see the livery the moment it comes on the internet. Which brings me to the
Yeah,
next
but
question.
it's
Which was your favorite livery?
Favorite livery?
Yeah.
Nothing has caught my attention that
Not
much.
even
It's
Visa,
like,
Cash App, V-Carb, that Honda
no.
special
You're
livery kind
the
of. I love their presentation the most because their entire thing was हमने हमारा नाम इतनी बार चेंज करा है कि किसी को नहीं पता हम कौन है. Their
yeah.
entire thing was, do you even know?
Uh,
Do you know what our real name is? Do you? Can you tell us what our real name is? That was the entire thing.
which did I like the most? Nice question.
Cool. Which did you?
I think I
I
Which
don't
liked
have
one
a
did
clear
you like
favorite
last
this year.
year? Which one did you like the most last year's? The same answer. So,
Oh, last year was Ferrari.
this Ferrari livery was different than last year's Ferrari. It's like 2 shades different.
This year I don't like with the white and the HPs. So I didn't like that.
But okay. The white and HP, I've heard a lot of criticism, but it's at least a little different. Most of the time, Ferrari just comes up with red, yellow, red. Eat your red. This is at least a different color that we are seeing on that red, and it is reminiscent of like how in the past they've also had the white in the red. Like they did not always have the red car which every Ferrari fan now wants. They had white in their car before. They had blocks of white. Like the entire back of Ferrari used to be white at one point of time.
Yeah,
Why is
yeah,
everyone so
yeah.
stuck up with just give us a red car, give us a red car? Bring colors. Why are you going with Red
No,
Bull or
don't
Aston
say
Martin
that.
when they will just get one
Arsenal
color
fans
every
get
time?
will get triggered. They will hear you said red card.
And red and white.
Football
And red
reference.
and white, yeah.
But yeah, we are going to kickstart our 2025 season, and how do we do it? We do constructor predictions without watching testing, which by the way, there was a power cut in during testing. There was rain in
Yeah,
Bahrain during testing.
Flash,
There was
there was a
there was a
flashlights.
bus.
random
There was a
bus
bus.
because of which there was glass on the track.
Yeah,
I am
track.
so happy I did not watch testing.
Bus and glass, please explain.
I
Bus, there was either like a mirror or something on the bus. It was like a fan
no, the
something
mirror,
thing.
the mirror did not fall from the bus. The mirror fell from that flag cabin where they do the checkered flag thing. It fell from there. It did not come from the bus. The bus was just roaming on the tracks. The mirror fell from the from that
That's even
checkered
worse.
flag
That's
thing.
even worse. I thought something like it, I thought some mirror of the bus just.
No,
Oh my god, that's
no, no,
even
no, no.
worse.
The checkered. It was windy, so the blast from the checkered flag, boom.
But it rained in Bahrain, so obviously
Yeah.
under these, I mean, yeah, that, and under these circumstances, of course, Mercedes was the fastest car. So like, it's the most. Nothing has changed
I seriously still I am a fan of this team, but I don't get it from where are they getting the pace. They are
because it
sometimes
was
the
cold.
slowest team
It
on
was
the
cold.
grid.
But it was cold. It's Bahrain. It's desert. It's raining. It was
This
13
could
degree.
not be your
No, no,
answer.
but it,
That
no,
the
but
car
I'm
is
telling
fast
you,
because it's
bro,
cold around.
that is the reason they got a double podium in Vegas because it was in the fucking desert in the middle of winter.
This
Mercedes'
cannot be
new
the answer.
tagline is "Winter should be coming." Yeah, that's how they get
We
success
want
in Formula
winter.
One.
We
Yeah,
they will be
No,
competing in
it
Formula
should
One
move.
Winter Edition.
yeah. So yeah,
We
but
only race in colder climates.
they're like,
You
can we
bring
build a
anything
new?
hot, we can't.
We are a world championship. We should build a track on Antarctica. It's only fair.
Oh yeah, we can do that. I mean, yeah, we
Guaranteed
don't
wins
care
for
about
Mercedes
pollution or
definitely.
anything, so we should do this.
Yeah.
We can have like we had the the animals roaming around. We can have like a penguin swoop in, a
Why not?
seal running behind the penguin.
One penguin every year gets to wave the checkered flag. Why not? Make it happen.
Why not a
Wow.
polar bear? I think a polar bear would be a better one.
Polar wrong. Wo, wrong pole. South pole is penguin. North pole is polar bear.
क्यों साउथ में नहीं होता? I
नहीं नहीं होता.
नहीं लेके आ जाएंगे. क्या प्रॉब्लम?
Thank you for educating us.
Yeah. So okay, I have some extra bonus questions which we will do at the end. But let's start. Let's start
Ooh.
with everybody's P10. P10. We'll go Honey Badger, Shakuni, Neil, and then me. Honey Badger, who is your P10?
Okay.
Take a phone.
Haas?
Is that their name? No, Steak
Sauber,
F1.
Kick Sauber.
Kick Sauber. Kick Sauber.
Is it Kick Sauber or is it Steak F1? I'm confused now.
Doesn't
Steak
matter.
F1, I think.
It's Nico Hulkenberg. It's Team Nico. Okay. Shakuni.
Okay.
Same.
Mm. Yeah, Steak. I don't see anything from the drivers. I don't expect anything from those two.
What was the previous?
Like if they do something, I'll
Who knows? They should have actually done the
Alfa
same.
Romeo.
They should have done a same. Alfa Romeo. They should have done a
Romeo.
similar presentation that Visa Cash App did because we needed that more than Visa Cash App. We were like, it is going to be some sort of Red Bull, Racing Bull, whatever.
We knew that. Like I don't think Visa Cash App gave us more trauma than whatever this case Steak
Yeah.
what that is.
So, but I think we all have gone for Kick Sauber. Of course, last year it was only me, and now everybody's copied me because all of you had way too much faith in Kick Sauber. But I will. But the question, since this is a similar position, now I want to ask you the special question because So I don't want to reveal. I have a question for each team, and I don't want to reveal it unless we all predict the team for the same one. So my question is,
Ooh.
how many races will it take Kick Sauber drivers to score their first points this year?
Mm,
How many races are there? 24, right?
Yeah.
22, 24,
24.
24 races.
24.
You can do like quarter,
I go
like
Less than
just
3.
do quarter. I don't need the exact race. So like first six, next six, next six. So like 1 to 6, 7 to
I
12.
think
As
12 to 18.
Less than
12 to
3.
18. 12 to 18. I go 12 to 18.
Last quarter, 18 to 20.
12 to 18.
First 3.
First
Whoa.
three.
Then how is it the last, bro? If you are predicting that they will be the last on the grid, how are you predicting that they score their first point in the first three races only?
Because it's a season long
And then they
thing.
won't
It's
win a
a
point at
season
all.
long thing.
Can
They
happen, bro.
they
It
they
can
score in
happen.
their first race and then they don't
They
at
just
all.
don't score at all. Can
Remember Zoe Ganyu? Remember Zoe?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
He did it the other way around.
Yeah,
I forgot
exactly.
Joe. I really forgot
And
Joe. I was just looking at what their lineup was last year. I only remember Valtteri. I
Bottas.
really did not remember that Joe was racing for what is this name? Stake F1. Now it is
and
Kick
and you
Sauber.
know
I
what?
just
You
saw
know
it.
what? In the season opener, anyone can score.
Yeah, season opener anyone can.
That has
Yeah,
been the
yeah.
norm. Yeah.
Oh, but this time it is Australia, mate. It's Australia. The season opener.
Yeah.
All right, then we have P9. Honey Badger, who are you going for P9?
P9. Us.
Haas. Shakuni?
Mm, I'm confused either Haas or Racing Bulls.
Hey, 1 second. Who is the driver lineup? Ollie and
Ocon.
Ocon. Ocon.
oh, okay. Still 9.
Ooh, okay.
with the
Haas. Okay. Haas.
with our quick fire answers, you can obviously see how much effort we have put in this episode.
We are so well prepared, guys. We are the best people on
We
this
have
planet to
so
do
much
F1
prepared.
podcast.
Oh my
We do our
god.
research. We do our research.
Yes.
We know who the drivers are. We have to check the apps, but we still know the answer.
Yeah, I'm also going for Haas. Like, what, guys? We gotta switch it up a little.
Come on. Shoot the question. Shoot the question.
Yeah.
No,
My
Neil. Who's
question.
Neil going for?
Haas, he also. The question for Haas
Oh.
is, how many times does Ocon crash into his new teammate?
Nice. I would say thrice.
Once.
Okay.
I would say once.
Okay. Honey Badger?
0.
Okay, bold claim.
Oye.
I will
I
say
said once because Ocon is going to Ocon. So.
Ocon's going to Ocon. I'll say twice.
Oh. So
Twice.
0, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3. And Kramer would have gone for every other race, but we are missing that chaotic energy. The Darwin Nunes of our podcast is missing.
Kramer could have also predicted. Kramer is the one who can also predict McLaren on 9th.
No,
We are
no,
missing
no, no,
that.
no, no,
Yeah.
no, 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 no. Kramer would predict Kick Sauber
We are
at
missing that
P5. He
kamikaze.
will do Kick Sauber P5.
Yeah, that is also very possible. He will have full faith in Gabriel Bortoleto. I mean, I want to see Bortoleto. He is one of my favorite rookies right now, but I don't know. I don't see that car having a lot in it.
Okay. P8. Honey Badger. Who are you going for? Do you remember all the teams?
Gasly, Duhan. Alpine.
Ooh.
Shakuni, who are you going for?
Racing Bulls.
Racing Bulls.
I was confused between Racing Bulls or Haas for 8 and 9. So if Haas is 9, Bulls are 8.
Babe?
Drivers.
So Racing Bulls is Isak, Harder, and Yuki, and
And Yuki Tsunoda.
Alpine is Gasly and Jack
Alpine
Doohan.
is
I'll go for Alpine.
Alpine, and I am
But these two
Yeah,
are
let's
your
go
not
for
only
Ravika.
option, right?
I'm
Okay,
going
wait,
for
wait. These two are not your only options. You could also pick Aston Martin or any
Yeah,
other
yeah, yeah.
team that you want
yeah.
as well.
He knows.
No, I think I should also go with Vika only because I don't think that Trevor is going to do anything
But why did you say Alpine,
better.
bro? You went Alpine is like she asked who is P8. It's like
Because
Alpine.
You've forgotten the teams.
I couldn't I don't remember the driver lineup. Yeah.
The driver lineup is new.
Everyone who is
Marcus.
listening, we are very well prepared. Don't you bloody at us that we are not prepared.
But since Neil has gone for Alpine, I cannot, of course, reveal the question. So we'll go to
Ah,
P7.
Visa cash out from
Honey,
E7.
Honey Badger, Honey Badger, Honey Badger. Carb.
I want to put Williams, but yeah, let's go with Williams.
Williams. Okay. Shakuni?
Williams.
This one I know. Sainz and Albon.
Yeah.
I remember this.
Science faster
I'm
than
going
Lewis,
Alpine.
in testing.
Testing doesn't matter.
But he did.
But he
Testing,
did.
Yeah.
a lot of teams would be sandbagging. Literally, like you have no idea. McLaren would be a fucking rocket and they would be finishing so low.
Shakuni, give me
Testing,
your
you can't believe
P7.
anything.
Who's your P7?
I said Alpine, 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 Alpine.
Oh, Alpine.
Because of all the chaos that is behind, I don't think Gasly can do much.
I've also gone for Alpine. Okay, P6.
So
Honey
who has
Badger.
Neil gone for? Wait. Who did Neil pick?
Neil picked
P7.
Visa Cash App.
Oh.
P6. Honey Badger.
P6 Alpine.
Okay, Shakuni.
Ooh. Aston Martin.
43-year-old rookie will come and save the team.
I am
Remember.
P6.
I am just because of just the lineup. I am going Williams higher.
William.
Williams. Shakuni and I are really thinking alike because
Yes.
I was
Wait. Okay. I
also
want to
going-
see where you have put in your Williams. I am really waiting for two. I'm just waiting to see where everyone has put Williams in, because you both have put Williams very low, even though you just heard what the driver lineup is. How can you put Williams so low? You know both of these guys love fighting for points. They will come out of anywhere and give you amazing finishes in races.
No, but the
That
but the
too
thing is
difficult
no, but the
conditions.
thing is that the top 8 point finishes is anyways taken, and it always keeps on changing. But we will discuss it. It's please don't bring high level discussions into this very silly podcast episode for which we
Okay.
really prepared. So Honey Badger, give me a P5.
Aston.
Aston Martin. Shakuni, I think I know where you're going. Yes. Do we have almost similar
Williams.
ones? Because
I hope not.
Yeah.
I hope not. It's going to be a.
I mean,
I think
so
the top four changes
top
everything for
4
the both
changes
of us.
for
The
everyone,
top
right?
four.
For me,
Yeah,
Aston
yeah, yeah.
Martin.
Okay. Aston for Neil as
Oh.
well.
Let's
Okay.
roll.
P4, Honey Badger. Give me a P4.
P4.
It's going to be that.
I know.
P4.
I
P4.
am just waiting for
P4.
him to say that.
Mercedes.
Yeah.
I should win the prediction league of what Honey Badger is going to say. I really should win that.
Shakuni?
Uh, Red Bull
Red Bull, now. Man, I feel like
with Max.
we've gone for exact similar one.
Same as Mercedes.
Mercedes for Neil as well,
Ooh.
and I'm going with Red Bull. P3, Honey Badger, give it to us. We already know, but we still want to hear from
Red Bull.
you.
Red Bull. Red Bull.
Red Bull. Okay, Shakuni,
Mercedes.
babe.
P3 McLaren.
Wait,
What?
that's an Arsenal take.
What?
Come on. Yes. Do it. We want the diversity.
That's a DEI take. Okay, Honey Badger,
Wait,
P2.
which did you predict? Which did you predict? Wait.
No,
Which did you put to
Mercedes.
P3?
I know.
We are connecting, bro. I know you're P1.
I feel like our barring 3 and 4, our top 4 are going to be similar. Honey Badger, give me a P2.
Yeah.
P2.
Come on, it's not that
I have to
difficult.
think
We
for
know.
this.
It's okay. You predicted it last year also. You can predict it this year also.
Yeah.
You did the
No.
exact same thing.
He's not doing that. He's not doing that. He's doing the opposite of last
No,
year.
no.
Ferrari.
The team he wants to
Ferrari.
predict this year as P1, he predicted P1 last year also. That is what I'm saying. Did you say P2 Ferrari?
Yeah, he said
Yes.
P2 Ferrari. I told you
Traitor.
he's doing the opposite of last year.
Traitor. Shakuni.
P2 Red Bull.
McLaren.
Neil has gone for
Come
Red
on,
Bull.
Mansi McLaren.
Of course it is McLaren.
The Reds.
The Reds.
The Reds win it.
The Reds win it for Neil. For the newest Ferrari fans on this podcast, the Reds win it, and for the oldest one, it is going to be
You
McLaren.
guys are so confident about Ferrari. If Ferrari doesn't win the constructor championship, you have to declare me as the prediction league winner.
Why? Why? Why?
Because you guys are so
Why?
confident. You guys are so
You
confident
can
about
win the
Ferrari winning
constructive prediction.
constructor championship.
Yeah, like we do it the way we do it every year. I have been. How are
Right.
you the construction prediction winner when I have been winning constructor predictions for last 2 years? I have literally won from last 2
no.
years. I have gotten the most. I was the only. You guys laughed at me when I predicted Kick Sauber was going to finish last year. You laughed at me. You were like, "Do you
But
really think Bottas can't do
just-
anything?" Yeah,
Honey
he
Badger,
couldn't.
it's not
Zoe
just
got the
Ferrari.
points.
But wait. It's not just the Delulu for Ferrari. We are also Delulu for Lulu. So
Of
it's Delulu
course.
for Lulu plus Delulu for Ferrari.
Of
We are
course.
Delulu Pro Max now.
What did you expect?
my
Honey
team
Badger, I
is still my
predicted
team is
Mercedes
still
to win.
Mercedes, but I know
I
Ferrari will do
predicted
something.
Mercedes higher up last year. So, I mean, it's Lewis.
Yeah.
Lewis, of course.
Same. I think I did as well. Yeah.
Yeah. So,
It's the Delulu for Lulu.
I want to set my expectations in reality. That's it.
you
Bro,
don't
the
need to
Reds
do.
are taking the
You don't need to
constructors.
do
I can't
Kramer
say for the
tactics
drivers.
to
No,
win
no.
predictions. You're capable. Essay. You don't
No,
need
no,
to.
but see, I don't. I am still not sure about the drivers because it's still very early. But the constructors, I am telling you, it is a Red Sea.
No, but
The
we
Reds are
have to
taking
make.
it.
But
Trust
this year we have to make that prediction also. But we'll get to it at the end. So now I have already given you the Kick Sauber and Haas questions. Let's go for Williams. Who scores more, Alex or Carlos?
Don Carlos, always
Carlos.
Damn, we are doing very boring predictions, I feel like. Okay, for Alpine, if you think that Doohan gets replaced, which race weekend will it happen? So you know, na, they are already like, we have signed Colapinto and we are going to replace him as soon as Doohan is like just not good or anything.
underperforming.
Underperforming, yeah.
Is
Yeah.
it?
I think first five only. I think first five. I don't think they are waiting a lot. It's either going to be
Mid
first five or
season.
it doesn't happen.
Yeah, or he beats Gasly every race weekend. Then it
Yeah,
doesn't
yeah, I mean,
happen.
as I said, like it either happens in the first five races or it does not happen.
Honey Badger?
My problem with Alpine is why
Mid
sign
season.
Colapinto with such big money when you already have one rookie? Why waste someone's career like that? It's pathetic. I hate when teams do that.
First 6, 7 races.
Okay, okay, cool, cool, cool. Um, how many times in Aston Martin does Fernando Alonso have 007 performances and Lance Stroll has 000 performances?
All the races. Mm, at least.
Not
Basically,
many. I mean,
best
Lance.
perform Fernando being amazing and Lance Stroll being like P19. Even behind one of the kick
Lance Stroll
Saubers.
maybe every
At least same
Lance Stroll
8
maybe half of
races.
the season, but I don't think Alonso does anything special. I think it's gone now.
Honey Badger is pissed. It's a good thing you're not a snake.
I agree.
He agrees.
Kind of.
He agrees, bro.
That was
The tables have turned, it seems. Okay, for
All
McLaren, my
these have
question.
spoken.
Yes, for McLaren, my question is how many pole positions will Lando Norris lose this season when he starts the race at pole?
yeah. Uh, he 6 races. 6 races.
6,
Less than 3.
3, Honey Badger, okay.
Less than 3.
Okay.
Yeah, I think
3 or less than 3.
Yeah, I agree. Three or less than. I think yeah,
Yeah, a
three or
lot
less
of,
than three. I don't think he does it in more.
I mean, you never know. For
I don't think he
Mercedes,
comes on podium often, but I mean, pole.
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
In this season for Mercedes, does Kimi Antonelli win a race before George Russell?
No.
No,
George Russell wins.
Yes.
If they win, George Russell wins.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
And
I
in that race, George will be DNF.
Yes.
That may happen.
Yes. That is going to happen.
Yes.
That's my prediction.
Yeah. For Red Bull, my question is if Liam does not perform, do Red Bull bring in Sainz or Isak and still ignore Yuki Tsunoda?
Of course. They will ignore Yuki.
yeah. Mm, I think yeah.
I don't think they'll ignore Yuki.
They
They'll
have
bring
for
in.
the last 2
They'll bring
years.
him in.
2 years. They have.
So the thing is, I don't think this year, even if they go and ask Yuki, I don't think Yuki comes. I think now it has. I think Yuki has also said that he is looking for other teams from next year for next
Yeah,
year.
because he was ignored
So
for 2 years.
yeah. So I think
Okay.
they he might do that.
And
Not
the
sure, but I think he might.
and the last question for Ferrari. The question that is on everybody's mind. Who are you backing? Who gets more points for Ferrari?
Why? Why did you ask that?
Because that's what I want. I want chaos.
Charles.
Charles.
Sir Lewis Hamilton.
I think Charles. I think Charles. I think Lewis also pushes Charles to win. I think he'll be okay being that.
I don't think it will be
driver,
because
but-
I don't think it will be because Charles is not a good driver. I think it will be because Ferrari will fuck up at least 2 of his race strategies. At least.
No.
Fair point.
I mean, no.
Remember
we'll
last
see a
year what
very
happened in
different Ferrari.
Canada and Silverstone?
I know, but I think we will see a little different Ferrari this season. I think it does not happen more on the strategy fuck ups. I think it happens more on picking that one driver for it. That fucks them up. But I think in the end, I think Lewis also favors Charles, and I think Lewis also wants Charles to do good. So I really think that will
Yeah,
tip the
I'm not
scales
saying
more into
Lewis
Charles's
makes
side.
the wrong
But
call
let's
for
see.
Charles. I'm saying Ferrari makes the wrong call for Charles.
No, no, I'm saying picking that one driver for the best strategy. So for that, because usually we have seen Ferrari because we don't have a number one driver, and they will do the same thing for both the drivers, and both the drivers end up behind and not winning. But this time, I
What if
think
they're like,
because
what
they
if they
have
do it like a chit system? They're like, these are the two strategies. Whoever picks whichever chit, you get that strategy.
Very possible.
very,
You
It's
very,
see,
very possible.
see, Honey
very
Badger
possible
knows.
because
Honey Badger knows. Honey Badger's trauma of
you are
Ferrari is similar to my
you
trauma
are
of
you
Liverpool
are
losing
saying
so many
wait.
Premier Leagues.
You are saying cheat system. No, 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 no. You are saying cheat system. I say rock paper scissors. Ferrari might even
No,
before
no,
the
no,
race
no,
they
no.
will like rock paper scissors.
No, 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 no.
Before putting
So
the number
on
on the
a
card, they'll be
no,
like
no,
rock paper
on a
scissors.
chit there will be like your primary strategy, and then at least till K they will have plans, different plans on that primary. It's
Okay,
going to be a
and from L to
scroll.
Z will be on the other.
It will be a scroll that will be
L to Z
picked
will be
every.
on the other one.
Yeah.
It is Plan C. C.
Yes.
No, not C. Plan C.
See, I'm not getting mad.
I miss
Bono,
Bono.
please come back.
I miss Bono. Where is Bono? Bring Bono.
Bono, my language is gone.
Ah, yeah.
Bono, these people are stupid. Help me, Bono, help me.
We can't say Bono now. He'll say Angela
God.
because Angela is back. Louis and Angela are
Angela
back
is
Yeah.
back,
together.
yes. I think one
He's
more
also looking
person.
good in red.
One more person joined Lewis. I think someone else also from his past team has joined him again in Ferrari.
Roscoe
I don't
does
know
not
who, but I
count.
read somewhere. There are two people. No, not Roscoe. One employee, like a Lewis entourage person joined.
Why Roscoe
Roscoe
won't count?
should count.
It should count.
Yeah.
Ro-
Roscoe is
Yeah.
Roscoe lives. Roscoe depends on Louis for his everything. He anyways has that dog on a
no
vegan
Roscoe
diet.
earns Roscoe earns more than the four of us combined.
Ha, but
Just
still can't
why?
open his
Roscoe
own
has brand
food and
new.
feed himself. Nah, I need somebody with thumbs to open his food can.
So Roscoe, we are available for
I
that
think
job.
he knows.
Yeah, Louis,
Yes.
if you're listening, if you
We'll
need a
leave
pet
it.
sitter.
We'll leave everything. Yeah.
No, these fuckers don't have pets. We have pets.
Yeah, I don't have
I,
pets.
Yeah.
I have
I
three
can't
street
We have
dogs,
4
bro.
cats.
What the fuck? I
31
have 3 street dogs.
experience, 31 years of experience of being with animals. So please, yeah. I love Roscoe.
Wow.
That's why he married me.
Nice.
That was on my.
Very
What do you
nice.
call that? Biodata.
Hmm.
Ah.
Didn't have a biodata. We fell in love.
And that's the joke.
That was not a funny joke.
He's laughing. So.
Okay, his Bumble profile. Okay, his Bumble profile.
It's laughing at the.
Swipe right if you have animals.
Yeah. Whew. Okay. That's it. It's done.
What's next?
It's done.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yes.
We predicted.
Did you watch the Drive to Survive trailer?
Oh yeah.
We haven't actually yet.
We will straight away binge watch the series. We don't do trailers anymore. What's the point?
Yeah.
No, you know, I mean, like, if we watch the trailer and then,
I
if
cannot
we watch
watch.
the trailer and we are like, oh man, this is going to be shit. It will be confirmed that
I-
it is going to be
I-
shit. Right now, it is just a possibility that it could be shit.
No. This
Please-
season
please
I'm
don't
watching.
say we
This
have to
season
review
I'm
the
watching.
No, no,
Drive to
no.
Survive. I am guaranteeing you
We,
that
we,
I'm
we
watching
are,
that.
we've given up that tradition. That one time where I watched
No,
and
no,
none of
I'll
you
watch
watched
it.
and we did
I'll,
not do the review.
no,
Yeah, after that, I'm not risking it.
I promise you, this season I'll watch it. This season I'm watching it. I
I,
promise you,
I've
this
heard
season
it all before. I am not. No. No,
Okay,
no, no.
I'll send receipts. I'll send receipts. I'll
No,
click pictures of me watching Drive to Survive.
Okay.
no, 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 no.
He'll put a
See,
story and
neither
tag you.
gives.
See, episode 1 done. Episode
Yeah,
He won't.
yeah.
He won't.
I will.
He won't.
I am going to watch it. I'm telling you. I will.
He won't.
I will watch it this
I'm
season.
not
This
risking it
season
at
I
all.
will watch Drive to Survive.
When
you watch it, we'll
when is
discuss
it releasing?
7th of
10th
March.
March. 10th, 7th March. 10th, yeah, 7th. Sorry.
Okay. Not even a week.
Yeah, it's on a
Yeah.
weekend. On that note,
Okay.
after F1 predictions and more shitting on Kramer, we are excited. Excited for the new season. I don't know where we are going to be on
Yes.
the watch alongs and stuff, but we will figure it out and you will find out. So, to find out, like the episode, click the subscribe button, and we will see you. What is next? What is next? What is next? I will be live for the Champions
Australia.
League round of 16 first leg matches, and then
Oh, yeah.
we will have Premier
Oh.
League game week 28.
Isn't Australia next week?
You don't need to remember all these things. Just you have to click that subscribe button and hit that
Yeah,
bell
only
icon.
I have
That's it.
to because I'm saying them. You only have to
YouTube.
click subscribe.
YouTube takes care. No, I'm telling it to the audience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just subscribe that bell icon. You will know when
Yeah.
she has put an episode. Because we don't know when she puts an episode.
I am in a group chat with these guys and I still have to tell them episode is out.
No, I have the notifications on.
But I still have
Yeah.
to
Yo,
tell
I can
you
show
that
it.
the episode is out. Okay,
That
this
is
can go on. It's late. And on that note,
Yeah.
until next week.
Bye.
Bye.
If you've reached till here, thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell to always know when we post new content, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.